Happy day, students. Today I am going to deal with English grammar error spotting part 5. Dear students, we can see the next component, that is simple complex compound. The sentences should agree with the conjunctions. There are 3 types of sentences you have learnt already: simple, compound and complex sentences. See here, in the simple sentence you see subject plus verb plus complement, or phrase plus subject plus verb. So, she smiled. It is simple sentence. It contains only single verb. Moving on to the compound, you see 2 or more simple sentences joined by a coordinator and punctuation. It is known as compound sentence. She smiled and she laughed. So, 2 independent clauses are here connected by the conjunction and. Next one, you see an independent idea and a dependent idea in one sentence. It is known as complex sentence. She smiles when she is happy. Simple sentence, you see the tabular column. Being tired, he went to bed. In complex, being tired, you know the reason. As he was tired, he went to bed. In compound, you see he was tired and so he went to bed. And in simple sentence, you see the next. Having finished his work, he returned home. After he had finished his work, he returned home in the complex sentence. In the compound sentence, he had finished his work and he returned home. Third one, you see, I saw a girl with blue eyes. This is simple sentence carrying only one verb, that is saw. Complex, you see, I saw a girl who had blue eyes. In compound sentence, I saw a girl and she had blue eyes. Now I shall cite some examples on the whiteboard. You just see the board. Simple, complex and compound sentences. First we shall see examples on simple sentences. He resigned in spite of or on account of illness. Okay, so which is correct? He resigned on account of illness. It is reason. So in spite of is phrase used in simple sentence and you will have to remove that one. And write he resigned on account of illness. And second one, you see, because of or in spite of walking fast, he missed the bus. See, in spite of walking fast, he missed the bus. He walked so fast, but he couldn't catch the bus. On seeing the police, and the thief ran away. So, and is an extra word, it's not necessary because it is a simple sentence. On seeing the police, the thief ran away. Moving on to complex sentences. Though he was ill, but he attended the class. See here, though, but there are 2 connectives, 2 connecting words are there. 2 connectors are there, so either one you should remove, either though or but. So we are removing but and we are using this sentence like this. Though he was ill, he attended the class. Next one, you see, as I am suffering from fever, so give me 2 days leave. So how it will be? So should be removed because it occurs only in compound sentences. As I am suffering from fever, give me 2 days leave. Next one, you see, if he doesn't take rest, otherwise he will become sick. So rest is very important. If he doesn't take rest, he will become sick. Moving on to next compound, you see, I sat on the wall and saw the accident. So 2 separate clauses are there connected with and. Sheena and Veena wanted to meet Vani, so they went to the bus stop. Okay, so Sheena and Vani wanted to meet Vani. So that is the reason. So they went to the bus stop. So hope you have understood simple, complex, compound sentences and their usage. Dear students, we shall see the images, the errors in the images. We often come to some billboards, that is advertisement boards, which has grammaticals and spelling mistakes. Okay, that is error spotting. Next slides will explain few instances. First, you see gents. G-E-N-T-S only is correct, but they use J-E-N-T-S. It's wrong. Chilled beer. They write child beer. It is wrong, you know. Welcome tourist, we speak English. See the spelling WELCOMTURIST, it's wrong. So usage very very important. When you are writing the spellings, it should be written correctly. Speak also, you see the spelling English, SPIK, then English. So it should be noted that you should not commit any spelling mistakes. Congratulations, see the spelling CONGRATULATIONS, but they are written congrations, CONGRATIONS, which is wrong. So when you are writing on the board also, you should be very very careful. And finally we are seeing chocolate donut. Okay, this one we saw in the shop, in the bakery. Chocolate also spelling you see CHOCALATE, and donut, it is DONAT, donate they are writing, so it is wrong. So it should be written correctly. We shall see some more examples on the whiteboard. Dear students, we shall see some more examples. You see in the difference in the spellings. Flour mill, they say it as flour mill. FLOUR, it's the correct one. Okay. Grateful, that means what? Thankful, GRATEFUL. There is no word grateful, GREATFUL. Okay. Most of them use this word also wrongly. Servant maid, MAID is correct one, but they write maid, MADE, servant maid, it is wrong. Establishment, ESTABLISHMENT, but I have seen some places it is written like this, ESTABLISSMENT. So you should note the spellings are wrong. Thank you, I have seen some people telling thank you, TANK, it is wrong. Rubber, they say it as lubber. Compliment, compliment we use for praising someone with best compliments. When you are giving a gift, you write PLI, compliment, COMPLIMENT. That means you are praising them and giving. And what is this one? COMPLEMENT. It is helping for completing a sentence. SVC pattern all you have learned now. Next we see to let. To let board is there for letting the houses, but they mistake it as toilet. Okay, so these are the mistakes that we do, and we should not commit such mistakes in our lifetime. Next we shall move on to the usage of adverbs. Types of adverbs, you see there are 5 adverbs. Adverbs of manner, adverbs of degree, adverbs of frequency, adverbs of time, adverbs of place. First we shall see adverbs of manner. He ran quickly. See, everywhere ly is there. Adverb means it will carry ly, adding something to the verb. Then you see in degree, it is simply enough, adding to is, simply. Next one, frequency. I always pray to God. I usually shop on Sundays. Adverbs of time, you see, I heard the news recently. Next, adverb of place, you see in Ireland there are many cottages everywhere. Dear students, the usage of adverbs, you see, this will be asked in the error spotting. I work hardly, there is no word like that. Hardly means you don't work at all. I work hard, ly should not come. In the same way, he ran fast only, not fastly. Opposite for slowly is not fastly, it is fast only. So he ran fast. So whenever you say ly means it is wrong. You have to strike out this. Dear students, hope you have understood all the other categories. Now we shall see error spotting examples in the sentences. We like that cinema very much. So we like that movie very much. Okay, not cinema. Second one, there are no breads in the house. You should not use breads. There are no loaves of bread in the house. Third one, you see, Govind has got a bad companions. No. Answer is, Govind has got into bad company. Fourth one, you see, how can you speak to me like this? You should use the quasi-model or semi-model, that is, how dare you speak to me like this? Fifth one, you see, yesterday I met him. How should you say, I met him yesterday? Sixth one, I cannot make clear his writing. It is wrong. Answer is, I cannot make out his writing. Seventh one, these books are for you and I. You should say like this. These books are for you and me. Eighth one. Mathematics are difficult subject. Mathematics is a difficult subject. Ninth one, you see, the teacher and her students donated her money. No, the teacher and her students donated their money, both of them together. Tenth one, you see, it has been raining heavily for Monday. No, it has been raining heavily since Monday. 11th one, Gandhi is preferred than Nehru. Gandhi is preferred to Nehru. Now we shall see error spotting memory tips. You should bear it in your mind. Okay. A will become an, or an may become A. Am will become R, or R may become am if I is there. Is may become R, or R may become is if it is present tense. Was may become were, or were may become was if it is past tense. Do may become does in the present tense. Has may become have in the present perfect. And than will become to, or to may become than. Since will become for. Since means starting time, for means duration. Between will change into among. Between means two people, among means the crowd. Okay, so with this I wind up the class. Hope you have understood everything. Thank you.